camera and battery. On the back, the dual rear camera of the STK X2 is made up of a 13MP snapper and a 0.3MP offering, with the later there to record depth data for bokeh effect shots. During our brief hands-on time with the phone on the STK booth, the camera was able to take a few solid shots. The SLR mode, bokeh effect, was less impressive though, as it struggled a little to really define our subject from the, admittedly crowded, background. Selfie fans will be pleased to learn that the STK X2 is equipped with a 16MP front-facing camera, perfect for Instagram, Snapchat and video calls. Under the hood of the X2 you'll find a 3,000 mAh battery, but you'll have to wait for our full review to find out how it performs. Performance and interface. A MediaTek MT6750V octa-core chipset and a sizable 4GB of RAM ensured the STK X2 has a decent slug of power behind it. They're in charge of keeping Android 8 Oreo out of the box, which was snappy when we gave it a spin. It's a stock Android experience on screen too, but the X2 does come with the STK Life app pre-installed. This provides access to a live text chat with a real person 24/7, 365 days a year. If you have any issue with your handset, you can jump on the app and get help. There's no additional cost for this service, and STK says you'll receive a response within 2 minutes of your first message, which we did when we tried it out.